大家好，我们来看一下 HSK 4第一课的第三个 text 3 lesson 1 HSK 4 in this text 高老师和李老师他们在聊结婚后的生活。生活什么意思？生 is to be born or to bear, okay, or birth. 活呢 is to live. 生活 means life. 我的生活，他的生活很幸福。His life is very happy. 他的生活很难。very difficult, right? Now they are talking about 结婚后的生活。那后是 after， 结婚是 marry, so after marriage after。结婚前的生活 then it would be life before they got married. And then let's take a look at what they're talking about. 高老师说，听说您跟妻子结婚快20年了。什么意思？ Almost 20 years. 快 actually has a few meanings. Now, first of all is quick. 他跑得很快。He runs very fast. 他跑的 construction 很快。Or it could mean soon, such as 我很快就做完作业了。I will finish the homework very soon. In this text, it means almost. But if you think about almost and soon, they can be understood as one thing, can they? Sometimes. Right? Soon to be 20 years or almost 20 years. So that's probably why. Now, 李老师 continues, 到6月9号我们就结婚20年了。Now let's pay attention 到 and 就 okay? That's a sort of a structure. 到 then give a time, then 就 blah 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 means as soon as that time comes, then whatever 就 happens. Okay, I can give you an example. 到下个月我们就可以去酒吧了，哈哈，什么意思？ Arrive at next month, we then just can go to the pubs because the coronavirus are going to be gone. Now that would be the dream, but let's hope that will happen. All right, now 这么多年 this many years 我们的生活一直挺幸福的。Okay, here we have 挺什么意思？就是很。But there's a bit of a difference between 挺 and 很。挺 is more colloquial and actually not as much as 很。他很好看 is very good looking. 他挺好看 he's quite good looking. He's alright. So I think, personally, I feel 挺 is a little bit less, a little bit casual than 很。And then 高老师 says, 我和丈夫刚结婚的时候，刚 just, especially in time, right? 刚结婚的时候，什么时候？刚结婚。Just got married. Me and my husband just got married. All these words are used to describe 时候, right? So 我和丈夫刚结婚的时候，每天都觉得很新鲜。每天 every day， 都 that's a typical 每 and 都 structure. Every day all feel very fresh. Does the day feel fresh or you feel fresh? It doesn't matter. In Chinese, the days can feel very fresh or very new or very exciting. So if a day feels very fresh, then this day would be very new, very nice. Makes you curious, okay? And just like the vegetable, they can be fresh as well. A fish can be fresh, but all these fresh have different sort of meanings. A person cannot be fresh. And then 在一起有说不完的话。话 words like 说话，说 talk, speak, say. 话 words, them together is to talk. I speak loads of endless words. 不完的 not finish. 不完 one is finish, 不 is not 的话。在一起 when we are together, that's a adverbial phrase. 有 it could mean there is. When we're together, there is endless words. Okay? Or it could mean we have endless words to talk about. And again, the Chinese characters, their meaning is very shifty, very elusive. It's hard actually sometimes to pinpoint the actual meaning. I mean, as a Chinese person, I never really stopped to think about what does the yo mean? But I think I understand the context gave me they are just having loads of words or there is loads of words. It doesn't really matter. A lot of words are existing in there. Right? Then 高老师 saying, 但是现在 but now, obviously they are not as happy as 新鲜 as before. And then 李老师 being very wise. Again, 李老师 is just this wise bull. He said, 两个人共同生活 two people 共同生活 commonly live, okay, or to live a life commonly 在一起生活 would be the same meaning. 只有浪漫和新鲜感。那浪漫它的意思是 romance 浪漫的 okay, from 浪漫 romance. Actually it's a sort of a direct translation 浪漫和新鲜感新鲜 fresh 感是感觉 a feeling them together the feeling of freshness fresh feeling. Actually I heard there's a song called Fresh Feeling. I used to like that song very much. Yeah. 是不够的 is not enough. 不够 Remember that phrase. If somebody is giving you money for something and you say, that's not enough. 不够 够 is enough. 不够 is not enough. Now, 高老师说您说的对您说的 you speak of the things that you speak of is 对 is correct. 我现在每天看到的 another the structure. What's there to modify? Whatever happens before the 每天看到的 I see every day. Now, me. So every day I see now is 什么？都是 all is 它的缺点。缺点就是 shortcoming, problems, flaws, right? Then the opposite of 缺点 would be a 优点。每个人都有优点，每个人也 都有缺点。Everybody has a flaws and everybody has their strong point, right? Their good points. 李老师说，两个人在一起 ，two people are together, then 时间长了 ，time is long. Now I would understand this sentence as 两个人在一起的时间长了。So the time of two people or being together, 长 is long. Now, why do we use le in the sentence? That's a very good question. Thank you for asking. Le is used usually after verb to describe the complete status of the verb. Now, as we understand in Chinese, some adjectives can perform as verbs. And this 长, which is long, is an adjective. And then if we put le after that, so we're trying to say the status of being long has completed. So this sentence becomes the time when the time has arrived at the status of being long. Right? When the time has become long, then 就会有很多问题. Then there will be many problems. 问题 problems. Now the last sentence, 只有接受了他的缺点. Only when you accept, 接受 is to accept 他的缺点 shortcoming, 你们才能 then you can 更好的一起生活. It's a very long sentence. Now I would like you to pay attention first of all. 只有才 that's a structure. Only then. For example, 只有在家我才觉得安全吧. Because there's a coronavirus everywhere. Only at home I then feel safe. 安全 safe. Okay, so here only accept or have accepted, there's a le there, 他的缺点 his shortcomings, 你们才能 then you can 更好的 a better. 好 is good, 更 is more, so more good is better. 更好的 that's the is another the to help adverbs to describe verbs. 更好的 do what? 一起生活 live together. Right? That's actually really true. Only when you accept the shortcomings of your partner, then you can live together better. Again, pretty deep and philosophical. So that's all for text number 3. Hope you are safe and sound, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.